Hello, this is Paige Marks, and I will be doing my Module 12 reflection on internet safety. And I wanted to start off by why internet safety is important, and it's important to educate students and others about internet safety so that you're safe against risk or any kind of exposure of your personal information or anything like that. So it's really important to teach students about that, and as a parent, teach your children about that. And as an educator, my role would just be to know my school policies and talk to my coworkers, talk to principals about the best way to teach your students about internet safety, whether it's at school or teaching or informing parents on how they can do the same for their student at home. And how do I plan on teaching this in the classroom? Well, again, talking with your coworkers and your principal about how they usually do that. But there's great resources out there to allow kids to watch videos that educate them and talk to them about the risk and the things that have happened so that it doesn't happen to them and that they can protect themselves and know how to stay safe on the internet. And then the NetSmart website was really helpful. I also really liked the videos that they provided on there about educating and the other resources that are out there. So yeah, they're just really kid-friendly videos that are interesting, and it gets the students, it just keeps their attention and helps educate them on what is really happening and how to prevent anything from happening on the internet. And the article brought up, there's really good educational videos on that website. And then also talking about the main points of the article. The first main point would be cyberbullying, and it talked a lot about that, a lot of information on that, and just how you can protect yourself from that, not giving out your personal information, not allowing people to have your passwords, not just putting yourself out there, being vulnerable with your information, not sharing your address, not sharing your whatever, anything. Can be a really good way to prevent someone from getting in your information or whatever, or having something that they can hold against you or whatever it may be. It also talked a lot about parent involvement, parent and community involvement. I thought that was really helpful, how parents in the community can monitor students and their own children, how they can keep them accountable in physically showing them how to have appropriate behavior on the internet, not sharing your information, just showing them how that really works. Because when you're young and there's so many dating websites and there's so many online games where you can communicate with people, just not giving out your information because you don't know who they are, you don't know what their intentions are with your information. And just educating your students, but your own children about the risks that are out there and showing them just how to be safe. And so yeah, I thought that was really helpful, talking about the parent involvement and all the information that article presented.